Hello! We will now be going through the applications of data science in industry. Now, data science can be applied in many industries, and today we're just going to go through 4 examples. The first one is retail. Data science can be applied in the retail industry. In fact, one study by IBM found that 62% of retail respondents claimed that data gave them competitive edges in their industry. What this means is that this helps shops position their products effectively, and they can do this using data science. Data science is used extensively in the retail industry for things like recommendation engines, fraud detection, price automation, power augmented reality, and personalized marketing. For example, for augmented reality, I think we all know of the example involving IKEA, where they actually created an app using augmented reality for customers to see what IKEA furniture looks like in their homes before purchasing that furniture. So that was a really powerful feature, and that was powered with data science. Now let's take a look at a case study in the retail industry. The problem that we have today is that what is the best price for a product for both the customer and the retailer? And so we can use data science for this problem. We can actually use data science to create a real-time optimization model to realize personal pricing schemes based on buying attitude and seasonal data. So what this means is that we can use data science to analyze a customer's purchase history and their buying patterns, as well as what's popular in that season, to create an optimized model that has personal pricing schemes for that specific customer. And that's how they can get the best possible price for both the customer and the retailer. So the next industry we're going to look at is the healthcare industry. And data science is used extensively in the healthcare industry to improve patients' health in many ways. For example, data science is used for analysis on the human gene, drug discovery, predictive analytics, monitoring patient health, and providing virtual assistance. So I think we all know that when we go to the doctor and the doctor asks us for our health information, the doctor is recording data, and this data can actually be stored and analyzed, and to give you really powerful insights. So let's take a look at a healthcare case study. The problem we have today is that how likely will a certain patient develop future diseases? And we can use data science to solve this problem. Data science can use patients' health and health data and model all this data to predict the deterioration in the patient's health and provide early treatment. So what this means is that we can create a data science model to look at historical data of other patients as well as the current patient's previous data and find out if we can predict whether the patient will actually have their health deteriorate in the coming weeks or months, or whether they are likely to have a certain disease or not. That's a powerful application of data science. So we can take a look at data science in the media and entertainment industry now. So we see the rise of many companies, such as streaming companies like Netflix and Hulu, and all of these companies are famous for their recommendation engines that are powered by data science. With data analysis, entertainment companies like Netflix and Hulu can produce better catered content, recommendation features, and also track content performance. Data science is used extensively in the media and entertainment industry on topics such as recommendation engines, like I just mentioned, content distribution, analysis on media content usage, production decisions, and audience analysis. For example, for production decisions, data science is used to analyze whether customers actually enjoy watching a certain season of a movie. And this could help, for example, Netflix decide if they want to produce a season 2 of a show. So let's take a look at an entertainment case study. The problem that we have today is what movies and TV shows would a certain viewer watch next? And this is again the recommendation feature coming into play. This is a very popular feature. So using data science, such companies can build a recommendation system that uses machine learning algorithms as well as user data to predict the content that a viewer would be interested in. So how these models would work is that they will take a look at other users in the past and what other users like. And so they can use the current user's data and other users' data and predict what this user may like to watch next after watching a certain show. We'll now take a look at a final industry, which is banking and finance. So data science is used in many ways to enhance financial services. And the financial industry uses data science for risk analytics, customer data management, personalized services, financial fraud detection, and automation. So let's take a look at a finance case study. And the problem that we have today is what is the probability of a financial risk event occurring for a certain individual. And this problem is usually asked by banks, for example, in deciding whether to give a customer a loan. In this case, the data scientist at the bank will use risk modeling by determining a person's credit score and help the bank determine if the loan applicant produces a credit risk. So for example, banks definitely do not want to give loans to people who may pose a credit risk. So they'll look at the person's data as well as other people who have similar credit scores and credit histories in the past to try and determine if this person will pose a credit risk. Using this data, they'll then analyze whether to give this person a loan or not. So we've taken a look at these 4 industries today. And before we end, I just want to make a very quick note that data science is used in many industries, not just these 4. In fact, data science is used in almost every single industry. We just went through these 4, but just take note that data science is used everywhere, not just these 4 industries.